A dream was born one winter night, from leather, gold and honest flame, an ancient craft, an ancient name. Not in a rush, not lightly done, but shaped by hands till night was gone. With sweat and vows the work goes on, each piece a soul, not just a form. Fire burns and winters turn, what was dreamed is what we earn. Hard the road and long the way, 10 full years have led this day. Fire burns, the circle stays, songs are kept in working hands. Alchemy of dream and ground, 10 years close, the flame goes round. Night of year, when ancient voices still draw near, stand in joy and stand in grace, keep old ways in living pace. May the coming